Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use VWAP on Webull. The Volume Weighted Average Price, or VWAP, is a crucial indicator for day traders. It calculates a security's average price throughout the day, giving more weight to price changes with higher trading volume. This helps traders understand the true average price at which a stock has traded. VWAP is especially useful for monitoring intraday price movements and identifying potential entry or exit points, particularly on 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute charts. Adding the VWAP indicator to your Webull chart is a straightforward process. First, open your Webull application or desktop platform and select the stock or asset you wish to analyze. On the chart screen, find the indicator's icon, which often looks like a line graph, and click on it. From the list of available indicators, simply search for and select VWAP. The VWAP line will then appear on your chart, and you can even customize its color for better visibility. Interpreting VWAP signals can significantly enhance your trading decisions. When a stock's price trades above the VWAP line, it generally suggests bullish momentum, meaning buyers are currently in control. Conversely, if the price is below the VWAP, it indicates bearish momentum, with sellers dominating. Think of the VWAP line as a dynamic support or resistance level. A price crossing above or below VWAP can signal a potential shift in market sentiment, offering valuable insights for your trades. For more advanced strategies, consider combining VWAP with other indicators. For instance, the 9-period exponential moving average, or EMA, crossing over or under VWAP can signal short-term momentum shifts. After a price breakout, always look for a retest of the VWAP line. This often provides a good entry or exit point. Remember, large institutional traders use VWAP to ensure they get an average price for their substantial orders. Always confirm your VWAP signals by observing if the trading volume supports the price action.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.